attention of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and tap on it. Then select Allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the flag icon over here, and if you wish to end it and save it, tap on the check mark. Now name your recording however you wish to and choose Save. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, tap on delete icon at the bottom right corner and select delete or items. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!